Hey guys, we're gonna be playing this game called Yolo. It's new, and I don't know if it's really new, but it's a new thing to me. I used to have Flappy Bird on my flippin' tablet. Oh my god, I broke my tablet, cause how mad I got. And I'm not all that good. This is me just progressing. See, look how, but it's just really hard. Let's see, oh, darn it. It's just really fun to play and have commentary over it. Oh, this is my record. Oh, that's good. That's good for me. Oh shoot, I don't want to go on YouTube Studio. It's my last thing. Yeah. You guys want me to tell you the real how people get money on the YouTube videos? I'll tell you right now. It's because they put ads in the videos. Like, if you're the person that skips, like, if it has an ad and you're like, I don't care, and you press skip ad, that's still giving them money. They still get, oh my god, they still get a lot of money. If you've gone on code.org, you know what this is. Don't care. Or, okay, I don't care. This is not gonna be a very long video, maybe like a 5-minute long. Not even, but maybe like, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna try to get to 15. Oh my god, it's so hard. Not 15 minutes, but just 15 past obstacles. I'm not going to talk that much because I'm trying to get my new vest, so I knocked on the phone. So yeah, I'm not going to be talking that much because every time I talk I just die. So yeah, let me play. Darn it. Let's see this leaderboard. I don't know what this is. 5+. I don't know how people get these. Like 200 pies. December 15th. Yeah, 10 days Christmas. In 10 days I'm gonna be like a way better YouTuber. I'll have Call of Duty Black. I bet I'll have Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Computer. Oh yeah, look, listen to this. I'm gonna play you guys some music. That's just a simple song I learned in 3rd grade, I meant. So every time I'm playing, I'm not going to be talking, so just when I start going, I won't be talking. Except maybe now, because it seems a little hard. It just seems harder because you're talking and you're trying to concentrate on the talking. You're also trying to concentrate on that thing, so yeah. So let me just talk and play. Oh my god. Hey. So we just end this video at 5 minutes, maybe? Put a thumbs up if tomorrow, or at least this weekend, you want me to play. Let's see, I'll show you the games I have. I have all these: Dragon City, Flappy Dunk, Merge Town, Fishing Hook, Rider, Clean Master, Mobilison's what I'm using. I have games on there. Clash of Clans, I don't really play that much. We're playing Yolo. I have NES again. Let me move shortcut. I've COD Boss, Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies. And yeah, those are the videos I have. So I'm in the video for today. Bye. And maybe good night.